Hey everyone! Quick hands-on style review of the Bcdroid A10 Ultra Robot Vacuum after testing it around the house. So this thing is sitting in that mid-range price zone, but it behaves like a flagship. It's made by Boolean Cloud, now transitioning under the Cosio name, and it packs a massive 25,000 PA suction with LiDAR plus AI camera navigation. What stood out most? The dock. It basically does everything: hot water mop washing, hot air drying, auto empty, and refill. It honestly feels way more set and forget than I expected. Performance-wise, it crushed pet hair and everyday dust, especially on hard floors and low carpets. It even lifts the mop pads on carpets, which is great. Downsides? The app setup can be a bit finicky, and super thick rugs still need a couple of passes. Overall, it punches close to premium models like Roborock and Dream, but for less money. If you want near flagship cleaning without flagship pricing, this one's seriously worth a look.